Today we're comparing the iRobot Roomba Vac Essential and the iRobot Roomba 694. If you're interested in either vacuum, the links will be in the video description, so let's see which one is right for you. Let's start by taking a look at each vacuum's design and build quality. Looking at the Essential, you will notice on the top that the iRobot logo is front and center with 3 control buttons in a row above it. The 694, on the other hand, has its 3 control buttons front and center with the iRobot logo directly above them. The finishes are also different on both vacuums, with the Essential being more matte, while the 694 is glossy. The 694 has a more dated feel, while the Vac Essential is minimal and modern, taking design cues from the I and J series Roombas. The differences continue when you flip the units over. Looking at the bottom, you'll notice the Essential has a single V-shaped brush, while the 694 has dual multi-surface brushes that auto level. Internally, you will find that the Vac Essential has a 600 milliliter dustbin, while the 694 only has a 350 milliliter dustbin. Now let's take a closer look at their cleaning performance. When measuring CFM of both units, they were fairly close. The Essential maxed out at 4.7 CFM, while the 694 peaked at 3.9. In our carpet deep clean test, the Essential scored 90 out of 100, while the 694 scored 75. Next up, let's explore how each model navigates and maps your home. Both vacuums feature a full suite of advanced sensors that allow the robots to navigate under and around furniture and along edges, while Cliff Detect keeps it from falling down the stairs. Both units lack LiDAR navigation, which is a bummer, and they also don't have any camera sensors to allow for advanced mapping, or really any mapping for that matter. The good news is the Essential is able to still clean in a row-by-row pattern, a feature that's absent and missing from the 694. Moving on, let's compare battery life. The Essential is equipped with a 2400 mAh battery that can last up to 120 minutes, and the 694 is equipped with an 1800 mAh battery that can last up to 90 minutes. Regardless of model, if the battery gets too low, they will automatically return home. If you are in it for the long haul with this vacuum, then you will be pleased to know that maintenance is simpler on the Essential, since it has less moving parts and one less roller brush to worry about. iRobot is great about spare parts, so everything is easy to come by for both models. Another important factor to consider is the smart features and connection options. Each vacuum uses the iRobot Home app and gives you access to control your vacuum from your phone. Set a schedule, view your cleaning history, and even clean with your favorite voice assistant. Finally, after learning more about each vacuum, let's talk about overall value. The Vac Essential costs more than the 694, but it is a new release and comes with an upgraded cleaning system, especially for those with dirty carpets. It offers row-by-row navigation and a simplified and upgraded single roller cleaning brush. If you prioritize more powerful suction and slightly improved navigation, then the Roomba Vac Essential is your best bet. However, if you seek affordability with the tried and true legacy model with standard cleaning features, then the 694 offers excellent value.